Ever posted a picture on Instagram and then suddenly wished you had added one more? With Instagram's new update, there is a way to fix that without deleting your original post. Today, I'll show you exactly how to add a picture after posting on Instagram, step by step. Let's jump right in. First, go to your Instagram profile and tap the plus icon just like you normally would when posting. Select the photo you want, tap next, then share it. Now you'll see your post sitting on your profile as a single image. Here's where the trick comes in. Open that post and tap the three dots in the top right corner. You'll see several options, but instead of tapping edit, you want to select archive. As soon as you archive it, your post disappears from your profile, but don't worry, it's still safe. Now head back to the plus icon and create a new post. This time, choose multiple photos, including the original one plus the new picture you want to add. Tap next. Adjust anything you need and share it again. And just like that, your updated post with the extra picture added is now live, all without fully deleting the original version. It's a simple workaround, but extremely useful if you ever forget a photo or want to expand your post later on. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more quick guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.